Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to go back and plan the week of Valentine's Day in my work planner. This is my work planner. It is a DIY planner. The cover is a tool cover. Discs are tool discs from Office Depot. I have some tool dividers in here and a few other things from Tool in this planner. I do use the arc punch to punch my pages though. The inserts that I use are dated inserts. They are digitals that are available to patron elites. The March inserts have already been released and are available to download. If you're interested in becoming a patron, go ahead and check out the link in the description box below. So as I mentioned, well, let's close this up. I'm going to be doing the week of the 14th through the 20th. So this is the previous week that I did. So yeah, now we're moving on to this week, and I don't really have a specific plan. So I received this freebie of stickers. They are drip stickers on this rose pattern. This is from COCO'S Sticker Co. And then so I pulled out this black and gold color blocked washi. And I'm thinking I can do something with this. Other than that, I don't know what I'm going to do. Again, this is the week of Valentine's Day. So I didn't really do too much this week because we have some sick family members. And my allergies are acting up. And unfortunately, I cannot take any of the usual medications for allergies because they knock me out and I don't want to have to sleep for 2 days. So if I don't want to be knocked out for 2 days, then I don't take the med, unfortunately. That only became an issue after chemo. So I guess my metabolism has changed so that it cannot tolerate allergy medicine or antihistamines. Okay, so let's see. I don't even know if I have enough for every day. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't. So let's play around. Probably should have saved these for Halloween. They do like a vampire theme. So we got those down. What are we gonna do in between? I have to grab my CHELA plan books again. Is that the best red that I can get? Those are the same. Let's do this. Let's see, I used these on another planner, but they might go great here. Let's do it. So there is that. And I'm thinking some black washi tape. This one has rose gold. I need something with gold. So let's see what we can do with this black bow washi. It has silver and gold bows. I haven't used this in a while. I might need to start reinforcing my punches She's looking a little rough. Then up at the top, maybe some flowers. Even though I don't have anything that's a true red. These are more red than the other ones. So let's do it. Okay, so I've pulled out some Cookie Sticker Co. washi. I forgot I had this rose washi and it probably would have went perfect with those strips. But anywho, and then I've pulled out this red foil drip washi on black. I think that could work too. And I probably could have put it down here instead. And I think I will. I think I'm going to take up the Simply Gilded. If I can get it up. And I'm going to put it on here. Doubt that that's straight, but it's the washi graveyard, so it doesn't have to be. I'm not going to go all the way to the edge with it. I think I'm going to go up a little bit. Starting to like that look a little better. Probably doesn't match that drip at the bottom, but okay. I'm going to use the love. I'm going to use this It's Already Yours. Just put it down here. I really want to put it here. So use a few of these planner words and call it good. And then let's do remember. Okay, so this one has Valentine's Day in it. Let's see what the colored version looks like. I'll use the color version. Okay, so I'll put the Valentine's Day there. So that's it. Let's pop this back in. I think that is all I'm going to do on this spread. That is it for the week of Valentine's Day. The setup, I used washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. The script stickers are from CHELA Plan, as well as the boxes. This particular script sticker and this one are from Isis Ella Jewels. The florals are from CHELA Plan. Oh, and the doll is from COCO'S Vision. I think I got everybody. That's it. Oh, and this washi is the blocked black and gold washi is from Simply Gilded. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/ youtube.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.